A few months ago, I moved my life to a new state and a new town that I had never even visited. My husband and I intended to move to a small village about an hour away from here. But then, as we set our plan in motion, we realized we couldn't control everything to go exactly as we planned. We knew what we wanted, but we didn't know exactly how we would get there. So we decided to make our move an experiment, keeping our eyes open to the information we were learning along the way, with permission to change course. And we ended up someplace that suits us way better than what we had even planned for. My name's Adrienne Pennebrae, and I help people who are seeking well-being to recover movement freedom so they can live with more vitality and less limitations. I'm a movement teacher and a practitioner of the Anat Baniel method of neuromovement. Change is the nature of life, and learning how to be flexible to change is a life skill that's vital for your ability to thrive. The key to reaching for goals while remaining open to change: hold your goals flexibly. A fixed goal is the makings of a fixed mindset. It assumes there's only one way to achieve what you're after, the opposite of creativity. Fixed goals come with rules, have to be's, should be's, and why can't I's. On the other hand, flexible goals set possibilities in motion and create space for a shift in your point of view at any given moment. That's the working of a flexible mind. You can create goals for your work, your relationships, your health, your home, for what you want to do or become in your life, and what you want to make for dinner, without attachment to the outcome. Instead, if you can remain flexible by putting your attention on the quality of the process you're in, then, even if the destination changes, like it did for us, you're much more likely to enjoy the ride. And that is not failure. That's freedom. So, what do you want to create in your life that does not yet exist? If you're enjoying the content here on Movie Show, did you know you can sign up to be on our exclusive movie A-list? Go to the link to subscribe at moviestudio.com. We've got personal experiments happening every week that you can join in on. That way, you won't miss out on getting your one good thing you can put to use right away to change your habits, your brain, and your life. Plus, we'll give you updates on all things just for our followers. You're worthy of moving into a meaningful, enjoyable life. We're here to help you do it.